So our buddy just picked up this brand new C8 Corvette. I love it. And today we are going to show you how to make sure that your car does not fall off the lift. I'm sure by now you've all seen the picture at the dealer where they dropped a brand new C8. So what you're going to want to do is pick up some of these jack point adapters. We'll have these linked down in the description, and these will give you a much better location to jack up on and also protect the underbody of the Vette. Now this video will help you if you're trying to put the Vette on a lift, or even if you're just working in your driveway with a regular jack. So let's get to it. Now I do have to apologize, the video and audio quality is going to be terrible. Our buddy stopped over and Pete is on vacation with all of our camera and audio recording equipment, but we wanted to get this video out there to help you guys. So bear with us. Normally our videos look a little bit better, but hopefully this helps. So these are what they look like. They actually have these little clips that will pop in place, so you can leave this installed once it's up in there. So this is one of the spots where they go. And once we have this in the air, we're going to show you all the jack points. This is going to take a little bit of force. So that's what it looks like when it's installed. And it will be a little bit loose in there, but it should definitely not come out. All right, so here we are under the car. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough so anyone that wants to kind of know what the underside of their Vette looks like can see this. We're definitely gonna have more videos on this car. This is just kind of a quick video I wanted to throw together, but bear with us. Hopefully this helps you out if you need to do any work on your Vette and you're planning out how to do it. And I'll do a pass from the front. So you got a whole bunch of bolts right there in the center where a drive shaft would normally go. However, this car obviously does not have a drive shaft running from the front to back. And then you got a big plate underneath the motor at the rear. There's your oil filter off to the right. All right, so here's one of those jack pads installed. Again, I was filming with my cell phone, and with the low clearance of this car, it's pretty hard to get a good shot of installing them, but I'm going to show you where they all go right now. So at the rear of the car, you're right in front of that back tire, and it goes at about a 45-degree angle, and that's where that one goes. So there's no other cutouts at the rear that you could really confuse it with. Where people are messing up actually is at the front of the car. So you have two ovals or two holes in the body. This one's more circular, if you notice that. The one's a little further back with the larger plastic cutout. The other one is right in front or right behind the front tire. So you want to go in that very front hole that fits the pad up front. You can see where that is right there. Do not go in that one over there. All right, so again, right up here behind the front wheel, and then directly in front of the back wheel. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Again, apologize for the audio and video quality of this video, but I hope this was helpful. We'll have more videos on this C8. We also have a lot of other videos up on the channel, so be sure to check those out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys back here next time.